Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Let's Meet in Hawaii. When it comes to achieving a healthy lifestyle, incorporating healthy snacks is an important step. Healthy snacking helps to keep our energy levels up, keep us fuller for longer, and prevent overeating at mealtimes. Snacks that are high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats are great options for weight loss and energy boosts. In this episode, we'll explore some healthy snack ideas that you can enjoy throughout the day. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They are also a good source of essential vitamins and minerals, such as magnesium and vitamin E. Almonds, cashews, and pumpkin seeds are some of the best options for a healthy snack. You can enjoy them as they are, or mix them with dried fruits for added sweetness. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein and calcium. It is also lower in sugar and higher in protein than regular yogurt. You can top your Greek yogurt with fresh fruits and honey for added sweetness. Hummus and veggies. Hummus is a great source of protein and healthy fats. It is also a good source of fiber and can help keep you feeling full. You can enjoy hummus with sliced vegetables such as carrots, cucumber, or bell peppers. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. Hard-boiled eggs are a convenient snack option that you can prepare ahead of time. They can be enjoyed as they are or paired with some veggies. Fruit salad. Fruit salad is a great way to enjoy a variety of fruits in one snack. Fruits are a great source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. You can mix your favorite fruits in a bowl and top them with some Greek yogurt or nuts for added protein. Avocado toast. Avocado toast is a popular snack option that is also great for weight loss. Avocado is a great source of healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins. You can top your avocado toast with some sliced tomatoes or a poached egg for added protein. Rice cakes with peanut butter. Rice cakes are a low-calorie snack option that can be topped with some peanut butter for added protein and healthy fats. Peanut butter is a good source of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Smoothie. Smoothies are a great way to pack in a variety of fruits and vegetables in one snack. You can blend your favorite fruits and veggies with some Greek yogurt or milk for added protein. Roasted chickpeas. Roasted chickpeas are a great source of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. They can be seasoned with your favorite spices for added flavor. Trail mix. Trail mix is a convenient snack option that you can take with you on the go. It typically includes nuts, seeds, and dried fruits. Look for a trail mix that is low in sugar and high in protein and fiber.